there are a lot of reforms we are putting in place for mineral. Budget for judiciary to be increased. We have done a lot to the judiciary. By the way, we have increased their budget. And even I have already negotiated with them, with World Bank, to give us a lot of money, over 20 billion. To renovate, first we are starting with Supreme Court. Supreme Court yetu inakaa ni kama sijui nini. Hata kuna choo, jameni. Our judges have no toilet. They have to look for toilets anywhere, everywhere. That is the truth. Imagine judges of the Supreme Court. Court of Appeal, we are also working to make sure that Court of Appeal is improved. And finally, there are tribunals which don't have courts. So we are going to revamp the judiciary. We have had 2 meetings with the Chief Justice with our team. Probably the First Minister to hold meeting with the Chief Justice and the judiciary twice before we did the budget. And they are happy if you talk to them. Now, on budget for sports, I agree. But again, look, we are not only increasing money to the sports, we are also looking at how the money that goes to the sport is prudently used. I don't know how many of you are aware that we have had these sports funds for so many years. And there is nothing to show for it. Watu wengine mbunge fulani anapewa pesa because she sits or he sits in the sports committee, anapewa 50 million ati ajenge academy. Ukienda hata kuna academy. Imagine tangu Moi ajenge Kasarani in 1984, I think 84 towards 87 before the fourth All African Games. Tangu that time, Nimrod, we have never had any stadium of international standard constructed in this country. It is this government that has done Talanta, which is the biggest now in the country. And if you go across the country, nimesikia watu wengine wanasema ati hakuna kitu Ruto amefanya. Wacha niwaulize. Ngoja kwanza niwaulize. Apart from Talanta, ukienda karibu kila county, there is a stadium being constructed. Almost in every county. Where was this money? Where was this money before? Hata ukienda, because sports goes with culture. In Kenya, tangu KICC ijengwe, hakuna any conference facility imejengwa Kenya mzima. For so many years. Now you can see, if you move across Bomas, I wish you people could have opportunity to fly over Bomas. A world-class international facility is coming up, which is going to sell Kenya as a regional hub for conference facilities. Then unakuta watu wanasema one term, sijui Ruto hajafanya kazi, one term, hapana.